Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, I have a particular update here from Biafra Owo, and if you want to listen to it to the end, you have to follow him on social media at Biafra Owo. There you can listen to everything that he have to say and all his teachings and all his information. Why I say you should go and follow him, because he always give us the latest information, everything that is happening. We always hear a lot of them from him. So I want to go and follow him. So let us listen to him and I'll be right back.
To see the night, because after the night, there come the day. Without the day can never function. And without the night can never exist. We are here once again in the land of the living. The part which Chukwuka give to us, the land of Biafra. The land that will bring the dignity to black race. The land that will make the war, the white and the reddish, to respect the black race. They call it Negro. Some call them Africa. Some call them black. But I'm here this night from the part of Biafra land to tell you that black is beautiful. Black is the only color that can produce every other color. So if you are black, thank Chukwuka for making you black. If you are black and you don't know what God have done for you, then you must be very stupid than I thought. Let me tell you this. If you ever feel ashamed, sorry, of yourself for being a black or being born as a black man or a black woman, you must be stupid, because God is black. Even the white know that God is black. Because of the envy and jealousy in their heart and in their mind, then change the narrative. And what is the narrative then change? Then begin to paint the devil black and paint God and the angel white. Let me ask you this question, so that if you are there in their country, also ask them. If God was white and all the angels was white, why did they come to a black man land and capture them and take them slavery? If God was white and a black man is black, why is it that tomorrow it is them that are coming to Africa to steal? What are they trying to tell you? Are they telling you that God is a thief? Are they telling you that God is a thief or armed robber or evil? A lion can never give birth to a goat. You understand that? He said, let us create man in our image. And that very man was black man. And that is the reason, if you look at the history of life, you will never see where black man went to conquer another black man community or city or nation until the white came and they begin to use black. They divide and rule. That is, they will go to the other black and tell the other black, do you know that this your brother is evil, is fighting against you, he want you dead? Why can't you kill him? I will give you this, I will give you this to kill him. Inserting wickedness and evil in the mind of black, then black began to kill themselves. Then while black were fighting, they were busy looting blacks till today. They will be the one to cause communal crisis. And while you are fighting, they are looting. But originally, black never fight black. We believe in one thing. And what is that thing? Live and let us live. Live and let us live. That is what we believe. We believe in one thing, that life is beautiful, which we even bear in name. Life is beautiful. That is who we are. And we are the image of Chukwu Okike Abiama, because God loves peace. Now, having said this, if you are black, if you are an Africa, you are blessed. And Biafrans are here to restore the glory of black, as Chukwu Okike Abiama determined. Let me tell you, nothing good comes easy. For those of you who thought that to get Biafra, no be this way, no be that way, no be like this, let us do like this, no be by war, no be by fight, this and that and that and that. Let us go in a diplomatic way. Let us go in a politician way. Let us go in every nonsense and stupidity grammar you might think of using. At the end, I will tell you this, that nothing good comes easy. And that is the reason the great man, the great prophet of our time, tell you the truth. Say, if we want to pursue the restoration of Biafra in the same way other countries have been doing, then we will fight forever without having Biafra. You thought it's a joke, because you are not just looking for your own country. You are also fighting for every black man in the street of a white or red or any color you might think of. Biafrans are fighting for every black race called Nikru. They are fighting for them. So do you see it? Even a black man in Ghana, a Ghanaian, does not know that he's seeing a slave. A black man in Cameroon did not know that he see a slave to France and England. A black man in many Africa, they do not understand that they see a slave. Only flag independent they have. Flag independent. They have only flag independent. They do not understand the gravity of what Biafrans are doing. And you would think that this is just the joining, an easy joining. The joining that you just sit down and, describe how it should be. You don't know. It is not a joining that you just sit down in your home and then draw like a building plan and say, this is how it should be. The spirit of our ancestors have their own pattern of fighting the enemy of our land. And that is the reason you see the struggle going the way it is. So if you think that somebody in the government house will come and preach Biafra, will come and support Biafra, somebody, the richest, the millionaire, Igbo's business billionaire will come and support Biafra, or this popular person will come and support Biafra, you will never see them. Because the gift of freedom fighters is not meant for everybody. What did I mean? If the spirit of our ancestors did not possess you, you can never be, your mind, your spiritual eyes, your mind, your soul and your body can never open to begin to fight for the truth, because Biafra represents truth and the light. You will be so blind and so deaf that everything you'll be questioning. I listened to our PM question and answer, and somebody who have been eating through mouth You know, not everybody eat through mouth. Somebody that have been eating through mouth ask question as if he ate food through his nose. Don't you think there is any other better way to fight for this freedom than war? And the man of wisdom, as our PM is, he gave it a very suitable answer. But to be very frank, if I were him, no be every answer I got the answer. But I thank God I am not him. You get some question where you go ask me. I go give you answer that you will never forget in your life. Because I go start that question with question to measure your stupidity. He tell him, who do you think bringing war into our land? Are we the one that is bringing war? Are we in Yoruba land? Are we in Fulani land? Are we in Hausa land? Are we not in Biafra land? Who are the people bringing war? Have you forgotten Operation Python dance? Name so many killings of innocent Biafrans. Started from when they were using flag and only protest. Reaching where they have been having the family meeting that does not have anything apart from flag and the Biafra flag. Have you gone to, is there any cell in Nigeria that did not have Biafran activates in it? Some have stayed there for 10 years. Some have stayed there for 9 years. Some have stayed there and died. Some have stayed there. They are still staying there. They have never been taken to court. They are never been taken to court. Some are in the prison. They have never been taken to court. What is their crime? What is their crime? Some are in Nigeria custom, that is barrack, army barrack. Some are in custom barrack. Some are in defense. This what thing they call this civil defense cell. Some are police cell. That one is uncountable. Some are even in a Bubagu cell. They did not take them to court to decide their fate. What is their crime? What is their crime? Have you go to Tiger Base in Owerri? That one governor cell, governor prison. Hope Uzodinma built Tiger Base where he have been harvesting young Biafran kidney and sell. So once they capture anything, once they just capture you, say this is Biafra or Biafra activist, so they will take you down there. Immediately China or any other country demand for kidney, they don't harvest your kidney. This is what many governors are doing.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.